Today was really beautiful. I enjoyed every moment so much. Finally.
Mama, this is our home now.
Yes, little one. Welcome home. Okay, take care of your thoughts.
Adrian, you should rest now. I want to take Kitty with me. Officer, she is our nanny. She has taken care of my daughter like her own child. Please, officer, there must be some mistake.
She was arrested after you passed this complaint, then she can be released.
Thank you. You won't regret this decision. We want to take her back with us. As family, not as a criminal.